Morning, all of you. Myself, Jillian, Dr. Pushpa Kumar, Faculty of Synthetic Science uh, in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In previous lecture, I discussed about the preparation of drug under the class 5th and 6th. Today is the topic the preparation of under the class 7th and 9th. Preparation of the homeopathic drugs under the class 7 to 9. Preparation of mother substance. Definition: mother substance is defined as the drug pharmaceutically prepared from a drug substance which are insoluble in liquid vehicles and is prepared by the process of trituration with the sugar of milk. The mother substance is represented as a zero. Class 7, class 8 and class 9 are included in this category. Class 7, it includes the dry insoluble substance. Class 8, it includes liquid insoluble substances. Class 9, it includes the fresh vegetable and animal substances. Class 7, this class includes the dry medicinal substances which are in their crude state are neither soluble in purified water nor in alcohol. The fundamental rule of this class has been described by the Hahnemann in Mathematica Pura under Arsenicum. Trituration of the trituration or preparation of mother substance principle. 1 part of the weight of medicinal substance to 99 parts in centimole scale or 9 parts in decimal scale by weight of sugar of milk gives first trituration. Required material, ingredients, required amount of drug substance, required amount of sugar of milk. Apparatus: 1 clean unglassed porcelain mortar and pestle, 1 clean spatula, empty clean piano required size, a stop clock or watch, freshly marked over new velvet cord, labeled paper, balance, weight box, paste, scissor, pen, gum. Procedure: centimole scale. Add 1 part of by weight of medicinal substance to 99 part of weight of sugar of milk to the first trituration. All the following trituration are prepared by adding 1 grain of preceding trituration and 99 grains of sugar of milk. Decimal scale. Add 1 part of by weight of medicinal substance and 99 part of weight of sugar of milk. It gives first trituration or first X. And after that the following trituration are prepared by the adding 1 grain of the preceding trituration to 1 grain of sugar of milk. Converted of the trituration into liquid potency, centimole scale for 4C potency. Take 1 grain of the third trituration and dissolve it in 50 millimoles of the purified water and then mix with the 50 millimoles of alcohol. The fourth potency and 4C is ready. The following potencies are prepared by the mixing 1 millimoles of the preceding potency and with 99 millimoles of alcohol. Decimal scale for 8x potency. Take 1 grain of the sixth trituration and dissolve in 50 millimoles of the purified water. Then mix it with the 50 millimoles of alcohol. 8x potency is ready. The following potency are prepared by the mixing 1 millimoles of the preceding potency with 99 millimoles of the alcohol. Drugs under the class 7. Vegetable source: Aloe socotrina, China, Cochia carda, Condrego, Crocus sativus. According to German homeopathic pharmacopoeia, Ignitia amara, Noxomica, Opium, Salsatrilla. Animal sources: Cantharis, Carbo animalis, Corallium, Rutrum, Sepia, Songia, Tarantula. Mineral and chemical sources: acid benzoic acidicum, boricum acidicum. Elements में है alumina, argentum metallica, aurum mat, cuprum mat, param mat, iodine, sulfur, tellurium, zincum mat. Components: ammonium bromium, ammonium carb, ammonium iodine, ammonium phosphorus, ammonium picricum, arsenic album. Class 8. Class 8 includes the medicinal substances which are neither soluble in purified water nor in alcohol. They are subjected to trituration with sugar of milk. The fundamental rule of this class has been prescribed by the Hahnemann in chronic disease under petroleum. Trituration or the preparation of mother substance. Under the class 8 principle, 1 part of by weight of medicinal substance to 99 parts of sugar or milk in centimole scale, or 9 parts of sugar or milk in decimal scale by weight of sugar or milk gives first trituration. Required material ingredients same as the class 7. Apparatus same as the class 7. Process say ingredients same as the class 7. It means the uh, dry drug substance and required sugar of milk. Procedure. The procedure is the same for the 7th class. However, some points must be known regarding this class which differ from that class 7. 8th class is the same as a 7th class, but some points are the different from different. That is the separate in class 8. In decimal scale, 99 parts of the sugar of milk is taken to prepare the medicine, but it should not be divided into 3 equal parts, as the sugar of milk in case is already in very small in quantity. If it is further divided into 3 parts, the mixture of oily medicinal substance or vehicles will become paste like, preventing trituration. Hence, the entire quantity of sugar milk should be taken at a time in mortar and pestle, and trituration should be done thrice for 20 minutes. The adequate amount of the sugar milk should first be taken in the mortar, then the medicinal substance should be poured over it to prevent sticking of the oily medicinal substance over the surface of mortar. Example of the drug under class A. Animal sources: venoms, Protellus ellipse, Lachesis, Naza, Vipera, Bifurana. Vegetable sources: Listeria, Sebifera, Croton, Tigligum. Nosot, Lycinum, Vaccinum, Verulinum. Minerals, petroleum. Class 9. This class deals with the preparation of the medicine from vegetable and animal substance by trituration in solid form. The fundamental rule of this class has been discussed in the chronic disease under agaricus. Trituration, the preparation of mother substance. Principle: 2 parts by the weight of medicinal substance is triturated with 99 parts or 9 parts by weight of sugar or milk to produce the first trituration. Required material ingredients same as the 7th class. There is the dry medicine, fresh vegetable, yeah, required medicine substance, and sugar of milk. Apparatus same as the class 7. Procedure: it is the same as a class 7. That is the ratio of the medicinal substance or sugar of milk is by uh, uh, is 2.99. 2 ratio by 99 or 2 ratio by 9. No, 2 parts by weight of medicinal substance taken. There is always some loss in the medicinal substance by the evaporation during trituration. Thank you.